today we're going to install a replacement passenger mirror on this side view mirror on this 2011 Chevy Silverado. Alright, first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and pass the pigtail through and just mount it into place. Probably going to need the nuts so you can bolt it down. Be careful. And go ahead and start putting in the nuts. There's 1, 2, and 3. These are all 10 millimeters. Go ahead and secure this down. Sweet. Now let's go ahead and run our pigtail and through here all the way through, and let's go ahead and connect that pigtail. Perfect. Let's go ahead and put this door panel back into place. Let's go ahead and pick it up. Let's line this back up here. Then we'll mount it up here. Make sure you pass the lock through there and just hang the door just like so. Wiggle it around, make sure it falls into place. Then just kind of hit it all around the corners. There it is to go in. Sweet. Forgot to mention to shove this back in here. Whoops. Let's go ahead and just shove that in there. Sweet. And let's put that cover back into place. Alright, there it is. Let's go ahead and put the little lock into place. Alright, here it is. The little lock is popped out. So we're just going to slide this into place here. Clip it down. Sweet. Let's go ahead and grab this here. And we're going to mount it right up here. Just like so. We're going to grab short bolt. It's going to go up. This longer one's going to go down here. Alright, and just secure these down with a 10 millimeter. Let's go ahead and put this cover back into place. Just like so. Then just clip it in. Perfect. Just like so. Alright, and let's just go ahead and put both of the bolts back into place right down here. Alright, and let's go ahead and put the cover back into place. Gonna go just like so. And clips right in there. Then we're gonna go ahead and put the last bolt right down there. Just like so, and secure that with a 10 millimeter. Alright, and just go ahead and put this cap back into place. And there it is. Door is nice and set. Sweet. And that is how you install passenger rear view mirror on this 2011 Chevy Silverado. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.